Kelton, look around, honey.
Well, Santa doesn't wrap his gifts, so is there anything that's not wrapped? Uh-oh. What does that mean? No, that's wrapped. No.
Surprised you didn't. I forgot to turn the fire on.
What about, let's look in, you think maybe he put it in a different room? You think you could have left it in a different room?
Yeah.
Well, why don't we go try the toy, maybe since it's a toy room, Santa left things in the toy room.
Ugh.
Let's go look in there.
Like the first Christmas when we were here. Go look in there. Yes! Yes!
What is it? What is it? Oh my gosh!
Yes! Santa!
Did Santa leave that for you?
Yeah. Here, Mom.
What does it say, Rylan?
Hello, Santa.
Why are you, is that the best present ever? What do we say for Santa?
Thank you, Santa.
You guys,
Doesn't stop.
should we play in a little bit?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, turn around.
Say Merry
Cheese.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Tell Daddy Merry
Gave him a
Christmas.
sippy
Merry
cup.
Christmas.
There's only one that was clean.